That mandatory emergency kit you shoved in the bottom of your pack isn't insurance. It is a statistical liability that is almost guaranteed to fail the moment you stop moving. Most runners buy the cheapest 50G mylar blanket just to pass race inspection. But here is the reality. If you try unfolding that flimsy sheet in 30 miles per hour winds with hypothermic fingers, it shreds instantly. The upgrade is non-negotiable. Swap the flat blanket for a thermal bivy bag. It weighs only 50 grams more, but seals your body heat inside a closed system, raising survival time by hours. Now for the hidden trap, that orange whistle built into your vest strap. It is garbage. In a storm, sound dissipates rapidly. You need specific decibel levels to be heard by search and rescue. Before we talk about expensive satellite tech, you need a protocol for when things go wrong. Most runners panic and keep moving, which accelerates heat loss. Memorize this sequence immediately. Finally, communication. Your phone battery dies in the cold, so a waterproof pouch and power bank are mandatory. But for remote mountain 100 milers, should you drop $400 on a Garmin InReach? The ultimate failure is leaving gear in the wrapper. Open your bivy now. Practice getting into it. If you haven't tested it in your living room, you won't be able to use it on the mountain. Unpack your emergency kit and test it today.